Hello. In today's video I will be below the desk because I'm going to replace my system drive with a higher capacity one on my Windows 10 computer from 2017, which through the years has had various upgrades already. Step 1 is making a system image. For that, apparently you have to use some Windows 7 function. I'm supposed to get a pop-up screen. Also, since when is it planning the backup? I never said it should do that. And here it says there are no backups. I just made a backup. What are you talking about? It can't even do that right. Maybe I should click here. Maybe I did it wrong. Oh, I did it wrong. So far you can totally follow what's going on, right? No? Oh, well, good luck with the other 9 minutes then. Oh, Windows is such a I almost started cursing. What a mess. Now it's making an actual backup. Right. What the hell is this? Where did this screen come from? That was apparently still open in the background. Should I click close? And the other backup is also going really fast. Something tells me this is going to be an absolute and utter disaster. Right, and after that's finished, it asks if you want to make a backup disk. But I don't need to do that because I already have a backup disk. Actually, I was incorrect. I'm not below the desk, but I'm behind the desk. Oh, there it is. There's the disk. Now I need to get myself a tiny screwdriver. So now it's important I touch a part of the case. While doing this, I have no idea. Can you see it? Doesn't matter. I'm unscrewing the C drive. By miracle, I did not lose the screw. Now I take this out. And I put the new one in. It's not really complex thus far. Uh-oh, I didn't touch a part of the case. It's in now. All I need to do now is by magic not lose this screw while screwing it in. This is probably where everything will go terribly wrong. No. Okay. It's in. That was way too easy. Right. Ah! That was a wire, one of a million. Well, then I can put this back again. Switch this. And then turn the computer on again. So, let's turn on the computer and put this disk in because I forgot to do that earlier on. And then I have to press some key. I forgot which it is. Let's try F4 or F2. Let's press F2 and F4. Press Del, it said. So it's neither of those keys, I guess. Sorry. Right. Boot menu. Oh, sorry. Oh. Yeah, I guess this is the CD drive, DVD drive. This is where the complicated part begins. The beautiful sound of spinning DVD drive. Oh, sorry, I wouldn't be silly anymore. Sorry. Yes, I know I could have used a USB drive, but I'm not, okay? This thing is from 2017. Maybe I'll explain someday why. This is the point where I'm getting worried. But no worries, because if nothing works, I can just put the original C drive back in there and it should all be fine. That's the nice thing. So as long as I don't break that, it should all be good. Oh, look at that. I have to click this one, I think. It's been a while since I last did this. Windows Vista screens here. It's Windows 10, but this is the point where I might press stop for a moment just to save data. Oh, it looks like this is all going well. I have no idea what this is. How do I say what disk it has to install it on? How do you mean finish? I have to select the disk. Yeah, I guess so. I did make a backup, so it's all good. It was at this point that I almost formatted one or more of the data drives, because I didn't check some checkboxes, which you'll see later. But it's all good because of course everything is backed up. But thankfully there was an error message. Oh. I've now put in an original Windows 10 disk, installation disk, instead of a restoration disk. Right, so there's also a restore computer button here. Oh, I get exactly the same menu. So now I don't have a freaking clue how I access that disk. This looks like a quite important setting. These are the checkboxes I mentioned. Now I checked them all, leaving no disk to install Windows on, resulting in another error message, of which the text didn't fit the window. Now, right, I gave up on the external recorder. Let's see if this works. Yes, I read somewhere that you had to run chickadisk, but that didn't do very much. Right, now I'm just pretending I'm going to install Windows 10 from scratch. Now it recognizes the disk. Oh wait, maybe I just have to click here. I made a new partition or something, but it's out of focus because I restarted the camera and then the focus resets, which is really annoying. Nope. This is the new disk. So now I finally checked the right boxes. Nope. Which didn't help. According to the internet, I had to change some setting, which I did, which changed the look of this message. That's different. And then only the Blu-ray was recognized, so I changed it back. And then off-screen I did another attempt, and this time it looked like it was actually working. Is it working now? The only explanation I have is that changing that setting and changing it back somehow solved the unknown problem. And then it looked like it was all starting over again. Oh. But suddenly the restart window appeared. Well, here we go. Did it work? Or is it still a massive failure? Instead of starting Windows, it went straight to the BIOS. Because the drive wasn't in the boot list. Well, that's not good, is it now? Oh! I was in the boot menu and I pressed that disk and it suddenly starts Windows. I'm sorry. Oh! Success! The only thing is that the disk isn't in the boot menu, but I'm sure that can be solved somehow. Right, so I think I figured it out. I think I clicked here. Yeah, and then I changed option 1 to the new one. And now it suddenly shows up here. It's the number 1 boot thingamajiggy. And the second one is the disk drive, so that's good. And I have no idea where the others are. And this says I haven't not made changes. I didn't make a change, crazy boy. So now it should start up. Yes! And finally there were some problems with the partitioning. I had to use a third-party program to use some system-reserved backup thing that I'll never use. Because to make 2 partitions one, they have to be next to each other and that partition was in the way. And then I could finally make it one big partition. Which, for a good feeling, I did in the original Windows application. And that concludes this record-breaking, amazingly boring video. Thanks for watching, for whatever reason. You probably fell asleep or something. And I hope to see you soon. By the way, nice cursor, right?